So, do you want to see a video about the pump? Look over here. This is about pumps. Okay? I'm going to show you. Here. So I'm going to check my blood sugar. Okay? Here's my apple juice when your blood sugar is low. And let's check it now. First, take this, it's alcohol, and spray 3 times in our hands. 1, 2, 3. And you see how the alcohol looks. You have to rub it. And I took one of these, and you take this, you have to do together here. That's how you do it. Then we take one of the pads, yeah, and we can even do 1 or 2 with alcohol spray. I'm going to do it 2 times for you to learn, not just 1 time for you can learn 1. And here's my machine. You open it like this, and just see how this looks. Wait a minute. It's to put blood. Do you see this little black thing? That's where to put the blood inside. And here, you have to put it here really tight when it's on, and it is now. So we're going to check our blood sugar. First, we're going to do is this. And then we check the needle, and then, because sometimes the needle comes out, and then let's do it. Then let's do this, and then let's put it dry, and then, whoop-a, I'm sorry. And then let's do this, and it says check, only when it says check it's done. And let's wait, 3, 2, 1, 0, and it's 179, 179, and here's the bin. Let's turn it off. All you need is to hold it here. Come on. Hold it. And that's all. Throw these bits in the bin, but not these. These are important. So, thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.